house provides a really nice opportunity for prospective students and their families to come on a weekend where we have all of the academic majors represented back in their labs and in the classrooms so they can see firsthand and hear firsthand from faculty and staff about the different areas of interest. We also have an opportunity if they want to see what life on campus is like, residence hall tours, so they get a chance to see where they're going to live and then get an opportunity to eat in the dining hall to see what the food's like on campus. So there's a lot happening and they can kind of pick and choose what they want to do and kind of customize it to make the best of their day.
Open houses are made to give students a chance to find out about campus life. I was a transfer, I got accepted before classes even started, and I had no idea where anything was. These students can have a chance to find out where their classes might be, where they're staying, and different things on campus so they don't feel lost when they come here.
Put some of their fears at ease. I think them just being able to talk with faculty and staff on the campus and be able to see that there are so many different ways that we want to help them throughout this process.
Students and parents can take away knowing that the campus that they're sending their children to or that they're going to live on are basically a safe place. It feels like a family when you come here. We try to include everyone and anything, and we have a little bit of everything for everyone.